First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
It is a soggy morning across southern Kentucky as the train of rain moves through. We have seen it be west of us or south of us like yesterday over the last couple of days, but it has moved northward this morning right across south central Kentucky and parallel with 6880, the Cumberland Parkway, I-65, all being impacted with very heavy rainfall. We are seeing this lifting off to the north and northeast this morning, and eventually we'll get a little bit of a break, but we're seeing another line here of thunderstorms. It looks like it wants to get going here along 31W and I-65 in between Bowling Green and Nashville. The heaviest of the rain right now is up around the Caveland area from Horse Cave to Park City down to Glasgow, Hinesville, and then as you travel out 68 to the east and the Cumberland Parkway to Edmonton, even over toward Columbia, some of the heavier rains and lots of lightning flashes and very torrential downpours of rain, the kind that reduces visibility and causes a lot of standing water on the roadway. So please exercise caution this morning. Some locations already have picked up well over 2 inches of rain just this morning. Now, according to the Mesonet sites across south central Kentucky, we'll take a look at those and we'll show you that some of the heaviest of rains have been right there in Glasgow, almost 1.5 inches and still counting. Same for Edmonton. And as you travel back to Bowling Green, we just went over the 1 inch mark just within the last few minutes here. 0.6 of an inch of rain up in Munfordville, 1 1/3 inches back in Greenville this morning where a lot of heavy rain fell, and right around the Rochester area, right there along the Green River as you head up, say, toward the Butler County, Ohio County line. That's where flood advisory continues at this hour. Temperatures are starting out in the muggy 70s across south central Kentucky, unlike well, pretty much like what we've had for the last several mornings, and temperatures have not moved all that much over the last few days. Here's a live view from Doppler Cam. This is 6880, exit 7 on the Natcher Parkway, just outside of our studios here. Very wet streets, occasional lightning strikes. You can see the visibility is rather low even with the rain as it continues to fall. 73 degrees current temperature now with a southeast wind at 4 and the barometer holding steady. We check a few of our AAA Systems weather cams. It's raining hard in Munfordville, 72 degrees. You have now picked up 0.6 of an inch of rain, and it's still coming down. Look at Mammoth Cave National Park. The visibility there very low as the heavy rains fall, and you've picked up 1.5 inches of rain there at the national park thus far. Jamestown Marina, 71 degrees. You're just beginning to see some of the showers headed your way, and it will continue to be rainy there. In Glasgow, it's raining hard, 72 degrees in there as well. 1.5 inches of rain plus lots of lightning strikes there in the Glasgow-Barron County area. Temperatures 73 at the Bowling Green Airport at this hour, same temperature that it was at this hour yesterday. Radar showing how the movement of the storms have been more into southern Kentucky instead of middle Tennessee like they were yesterday, that caused all the extensive flooding that you saw on the videos and the reports there. And that's because the frontal boundary has been wobbling back and forth across the area, continuing to wring out some of the heavy rainfall, and that's going to be the case for today. We'll get a wave this morning, then maybe a break, and then another wave this afternoon before it tapers off and moves into Tennessee. But then tomorrow, with the frontal boundary close to us, even though it's not all painted in here, there will be that chance of more potentially heavy downpours of rain. It may not rain all day, but where it does rain, well, the rainfall like this morning could be rather heavy. Periods of heavy rain mainly this morning, then tapering off for a while this afternoon, 85, then 72 with a chance of showers and thunderstorms likely again tonight. And that continues tomorrow too, with a chance at 50%, high of 84. Sunday showers tapering off to about a 30% chance. And then ramping back up to about a 40% chance on Monday. Showers finally coming to an end, we think, by Tuesday morning and turning slightly cooler with high temperatures mainly in the low 80s.